Hey guys, so as you guys can see by the title, today I'm going to be doing another cute Valentine's Day look for you guys. So the first look that I uploaded was more of like a sultry, like dark-esque, like smoky eye type of thing. So of course I wanted to do almost the exact opposite, kind of, I guess. But basically now, today, I'm going to be doing a super pink and girly girl type of eyeshadow look. I feel as though this is kind of like the standard Valentine's Day look. Like everybody, when they think of Valentine's, they think of like reds and pinks and all that stuff. So of course I wanted to jump on the bandwagon per se, and of course bang out a cute pink eyeshadow look as well right before Valentine's Day, because Lord willing, by the time I upload this, it'll be Thursday night, maybe Friday morning, but hopefully Thursday night. We'll see. But yeah, so quick little side note, it is like 12 something at night that I finally got done filming this. So throughout the video, if I look a little cranky or I look like I don't feel like doing this, it's because I'm tired. Like I literally just finished doing my makeup about 5 minutes ago, and I'm about to wash this off my face. So yeah, so definitely give your girl a big thumbs up for this video. You know, give me a thumbs up for effort, guys. You know what I'm saying? Like I gotta be up at like 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, like to bang out a look for y'all. Like give me some love. Don't forget to subscribe for more eyeshadow looks and also more hair reviews as well. I need to start getting back into that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you later. So starting off everything, I'm going to be using the Beach Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm just going to be starting off with that cute pink color, and I'm just going to put that on my lid as my transition shade. Next, I'm just going to be dipping back into that palette and using a brighter, more of like a hot pink type of shade. And I'm basically just going to blend that into my lid. And quick side note, I noticed that I do have some lace glue kind of like on the side, like near my ear. I know it's there, and honestly, like the whole time I was editing this video, it was driving me freaking nuts. But I'm like, you know what? I filmed it, might as well upload it. So there that is. And then as you guys can see, I'm basically just blending in those colors again just to make sure everything's more seamless. And then going into the Color Festival palette from BH Cosmetics, I'm just going to take that really dark pinky color, I think it's called Sequin, and I'm basically just going to plop that right into my crease as well, just to darken up the crease even more. Next, to cut my crease, I'm just going to be using the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas like I always tend to do. And I'm basically just going to have a cute cut crease eyeshadow look. So yeah, definitely let me know what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. I'm probably just going to go straight home and then just lay in my bed and relax, light a candle or something, and just call it a night. I don't know. And the thing is too, if y'all think about it, it's on a Friday. Y'all know how packed the restaurants are gonna be, so that is a heck no. So I think I'm just gonna stay inside. But anyways, I'm going to be using the Morphe 35 eye palette, and I'm basically just gonna be using that pink color, and I'm just gonna plop that on my lid first. Then I'm going to be going back into the Color Festival palette and using that shimmery shade Candy. And I'm also going to plop that on my lid just to add a little bit of shimmer. I thought it was going to be a bit more pigmented, but it wasn't, but it's fine. So then to prime my face, I'm just going to be using the Monistat Chafing Gel. Guys, trust me, this is a very, very good primer, believe me. But next, I'm just going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. And as you guys can see by the previous clip, I'm in the shade 500. And I'm basically just going to plop that on my face. And then first, I'm going to blend it out with a brush, and then later on a beauty blender. Or my microfiber velvet sponge from Judo & Co. to be more specific. Next, for concealer, I'm just going to be using the NYX Cosmetics Born to Glow Concealer. Guys, y'all need to cop this concealer. This concealer is the GOAT. I don't care. Like, if you like that little touch of dewiness, Definitely cop this concealer. I did a more detailed review on this concealer. If you guys want to check that out, you're more than welcome to. But yeah, like honestly, even if I did use like a matte foundation, it would still make it dewy, because like that nice, I don't know, just the texture and like the way that it finishes, it just adds like a nice illuminating effect, and I love it so much. But of course, I'm just going to use my fan to dry underneath my eyes and then blend it out, just because I want to have a bit more coverage underneath my dark circles. And then to set all the places I put my concealer, I'm just going to be using the Sacha setting powder, and this is in the shade Light Banana or Light Buttercup. Next, moving back to eyes, I'm just going to be using the NYX retractable eyeliner in the shade White, of course. And I'm basically just going to put that on my waterline, and then also go back into the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette and use those two pink colors to line my bottom lash line to help pull everything together. Next, going into my Cover FX face palette, I'm going to be using the finishing powder and right in the middle, and I'm basically just going to use that to set where I put my foundation as well, and to also help blend in my. And then for bronzer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline City Bronzer in the shade 300. Next, for blush, I'm going to be using the Wander Beauty Wanderness Blush and Highlighter palette, and I'm basically just going to use that middle color, which is Havana Nights. I haven't used this blush in so long, but I honestly don't understand why I stopped using it, because it is so cute. But then dipping back into the Cover FX palette, I'm going to be using that pink highlighter shade, and then also the brightener from my highlighter, just to add a little extra touch, a little extra girliness to the look and all that fun stuff. And then basically to set everything, I'm just going to be using the Milani Make It Dewy setting spray, just spraying that all over my face, again helping give the more dewy-esque effect that I like when I do my makeup. Using my fan to dry down my face, and then moving on to my lips last, I'm going to be using the NYX retractable lip liner in the color Sand Beige, and I'm basically just going to be overlining my top lip a bit. And then I'm going to be using the Milani lipstick in the shade I Am Smart. So yeah guys, that pretty much finishes up the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.